Okay, so on this video, I'm continuing with the quadrilateral properties quiz. I'm on question number 3. It's just easier when I upload the videos if they are shorter. So, given parallelogram ABCD, which of the following properties will ABCD always be a rectangle? Okay, so you're starting off, you have a parallelogram ABCD. This is question 3. So we want it to be a rectangle. So if one pair of adjacent sides are perpendicular, let's look at what that does. So if these are perpendicular, AB is perpendicular to CB, you'll have this right angle. But we already know that in a parallelogram, opposite angles are congruent, which means this angle would be right. And then we know that angle C and angle D are supplementary because they are interior angles on the same side of a transversal. Remember, geometry comes in layers. So here you have these two lines are parallel, cut by a transversal. So this angle must be a right angle because those are supplementary. Interior angles on the same side are supplementary. So now the same thing would happen over here, and you can see that that would make it a rectangle. But all that they gave us here was one pair of sides perpendicular. And that one pair of sides being perpendicular forced it to be a rectangle. Okay, let's look why the other choices are not correct. Choice 2. One pair of opposite sides are congruent in parallel. So that makes it nothing more than what we already had in the first problem. This only guarantees a parallelogram. One pair of opposite sides congruent and parallel. That is only guaranteed to be a parallelogram. And we're looking to make this a rectangle. Choice 3, the diagonals bisect one another. That's the same thing. That doesn't make it any more special than it already is being a parallelogram. When the diagonals bisect one another, you can only guarantee that it's a parallelogram. It may be more, but we're looking for guarantees here. Only guarantee to be a parallelogram. Okay, choice 4. Both pairs of opposite angles are congruent. Same thing. That only guarantees that it's a parallelogram. So if angle A is congruent to angle C and angle B is congruent to angle D, it's just a parallelogram. So the only one that would make any sense whatsoever is choice 1 because that is more of a specification. Okay, so I will go over questions 4, 5, and 6 in another video. Thank you.